Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. For the ingredients today, we have baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chip, brown sugar, pumpkin puree, and I'm using the Libby's brand. And for the spices, I have cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, a little bit of salt, eggs, lemon zest, and vegetable oil. And of course, all-purpose flour. To begin, we're going to sift all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to go ahead and add my baking powder, baking soda, and the salt and all the spices. Next, I'm going to mix the brown sugar and the eggs. And we're going to go about 1 or 2 minutes on medium speed. Next ingredient I'm going to add is the oil. Also, I almost forgot that we need vanilla, so I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon. And also, I will zest some lemon. About a half a lemon. Then we're going to go ahead and add the pumpkins. Now we're going to add all the dry ingredients. Last step is to add the chocolate chip and mix by hand. I'm using a small scoop. And we have to leave some space in between the cookies because this cookie spread out quite a bit. Okay, our cookies are all done. They baked for 15 minutes at 350 degrees, and you will find the recipe in the link below.